Good afternoon, all. Welcome to the today's class. Let's start today's class. Name of our chapter: Spend carefully. In the previous class, we studied employment is a source of income for families. Sources of income are diverse. Requirement of families are met with income. Today we are going to study about diverse expenses, economic security and habit of thrift. The common requirements and personal demands of each member of the family are met with the income generated through different sources. All the requirements of a family do not have equal preference. Some are very urgent and essential. Some others are good if met with. The rest does not pose a problem even if not met with. The family requirements should be prioritized based on family income. Expenses need to be coordinated accordingly. Look the picture. The picture depicting major expenses of a family. You can identify the major expenses of a family from the diagram. Think of the other possible expenses of this family and write them down in the spaces provided. Look the picture. What are the major expenses of a family? Food, loan repayment, treatment, purchase of clothing, travel. Find out the other expenses. The common requirements and personal demands of each member of the family are met with the income generated through different sources. Families earn income from different sources such as bank deposit, business, agriculture, industry, land and other properties, services, etc. Thus, earnings of family members from different sources are the income of the family. Among the expenses, some are meant to meet day-to-day requirements, some others are to meet particular requirements. Expenditure on food, clothes, loan repayments are expected expenses. Unexpected events may occur in our life. Accidents, natural calamities, and diseases are unexpected events which led to unexpected expenditure. A part of our income may be kept apart to meet such unexpected expenses. Our next topic: economic security. Expenses exceeding income will lead to economic crisis in the family. When expenses are less than income, there will be surplus. This surplus is the saving of a family. Saving plays a vital role in our economic security. Economic security means maintaining higher standard of living and the ability to meet expenses likely to incur in future. We can attain economic security through better management of family income. How we can attain economic security? Through better management of family income. The following 3 states can be observed on examining the income and expenses of families. Expenses and income are equal. Income more than expenses. Income less than expenses. In which context can we have surplus? Which context ensures economic security? Is it desirable to control expenses for ensuring economic security? What is your opinion? Find out the answers. This is the definition of Gandhiji. The world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. The world has enough for everyone's need, but not enough for everyone's greed. Our next topic, habit of thrift. Nowadays, several products are available in the market. There are advertisements attract the people to buy these products. Influenced by advertisements, we purchase excessively and this led to increased expense. We should have the sense to buy good quality essential products without falling into the temptation of advertisements. Thrift is the habit of spending our income effectively to meet our desired requirements. Thrift should be a part of our lifestyle. Thrift helps to ensure economic security. Simple lifestyle is essential for thrift. Thrift is the habit of spending our income effectively to meet our desired requirements.